This is the most efficient, greenest, and most sustainable method to build homes. Walmart sells more things than any business on the planet. Walmart is changing the world to protect the environment and using its lever by selling compact fluorescent light bulbs, which save 75% of the energy versus incandescent bulbs. In 2008, they sold 130 million CFLs, which is equivalent to reducing the waste of 2 coal-fired power plants. We use our leverage to build sustainable, quality, mass-produced living units affordably, which reduce waste and pollution. The cheapest source of energy is energy savings. Amory Lovins, founder of the Rocky Mountain Institute, calls it negawatts. It costs much less per unit of energy to save electricity and generate negawatts than to generate energy from fuel. Negawatts come in about 1/5 the price of power derived from coal, natural gas, and nuclear power plants. Improvements in the efficiency of using energy offer the biggest opportunities to reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions. This is the most effective and simplest solution to the climate crisis and can be implemented faster than any other solution. Innovation in efficiency is inherently renewable, which lasts the life of the building. Energy not used is energy saved. That is energy efficiency. Greenhouse gases and pollution are causing environmental problems. The top 10 environmental problems are: number 1, climate change; number 2, energy; number 3, water; number 4, biodiversity and land use; number 5, chemicals, toxins, and heavy metals; number 6, air pollution; number 7, waste management; number 8, ozone layer depletion; number 9, oceans and fisheries; number 10, deforestation. Sustainability principles are as follows: conserve energy and water, maintain healthy indoor air quality, minimize the use of toxic and hazardous materials, waste, reuse, recycle, reduce, use renewable, sustainable, harvested natural materials and consider biodiversity protection, minimize pollution of air, land, and water, encourage environmental stewardship by suppliers and manufacturers, and lastly, ensure durability. The Energy Information Administration predicted in 2008 that world energy demand would increase 50% by the year 2030. In the U.S., when coal is burned at the power plant, only 31% of the energy produced by the coal gets to the electric meter. This is documented by the Electric Power Research Institute. Construction project decision factors are: number 1, cost; number 2, quality; number 3, speed; number 4, sustainability and performance. Design, supply chain, production, and living units are all part of a sustainable process. Green methodology: number 1, green holistic design; number 2, green materials and systems; number 3, green supply chain; number 4, green off-site construction; number 5, green living units; and number 6, green education. Design-build collective intelligence requires all the players to be on board from the start. One complete design platform is building information modeling, and it enables all the details to be captured in every set of the plans from architectural to production. Off-site construction process is production, transportation, and setting the modules. The project above is a 25-unit project which was constructed in half the time and is a Platinum LEED pending project. Our building system reduces the use of energy, waste, and pollution. Everything coming out of a production facility is product, byproduct, or waste. Anything that increases the carbon footprint is inefficiency. Off-site construction generates up to 90% fewer vehicle trips to the building site. Off-site construction offers significant environmental benefits, transportation cost savings, and energy savings. Up to 67% less energy is required to manufacture off-site construction compared to traditional site-built construction. Prototypes have been developed for off-site construction. They are row house, stacked flats, carriage house, and townhouse. Valencia Gardens is an example of an award-winning affordable high-density project designed by Van Meter, Williams & Pollock. This is a ModSystem SB multifamily prototype design. Prefabricated components are an integral part of the construction process. Structural insulated panels are one of those prefabricated components. The cost is competitive, the speed is faster, the quality is higher, and it is a much greener product using the prefabricated components. To summarize the key points, green is sustainable for the purpose of preserving the earth for future generations. We are connected globally, and the economic crisis has shown us that no one country is immune. Global population growth is primarily urban and happening in developing countries. Buildings are responsible for a large percentage of greenhouse gases and pollution. Energy not used is energy saved. That's energy efficiency. Our lever is eco-efficient building systems. We do this through collective intelligence, a green supply chain, green production, and green living units. The success of the green building movement will depend more on good teachers than on good builders. Now is the time for action. Our planet will be preserved for future generations by being smart and responsible. Acting as a global civilization will solve the climate crisis faster and more efficiently. We're paving the way to a better world through green building. Bill Boyd, ModSystem SB.